Let's take one deep breath together to arrive fully in this moment. Gently close your eyes. Roll your shoulders back. Lengthen your spine, tall yet relaxed. Soften your jaw. Smoothen your forehead. Let the body begin to unwind. Inhale slowly through the nose. Allow the belly to rise, then the chest. Pause gently at the top. 3, 2, 1. Exhale with a soft sigh, letting go. Now breathe along with me. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale once again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your natural breath. Now carry this calm, this clear presence into the rest of your day.